guys, it's JB with Not Too Shabby, and I have a sneak peek. We have our new box of the month coming out May 1st. We'll be having a YouTube hop and giveaway, sharing lots of inspiration for the hop. So please join us 11 a.m. Central Time. So today I'll be using our new stamp set from the box. It's called Yum Yum. Cute little hamster with all these little goodies. I'm going to do some simple masking, show you how to do some simple masking to get this cute little guide to hold some of these items. I'm going to be using a new Cat Scrappiness mini slimline die. This is the distressed edged mini slimline die, so I cut that out in white here using the biggest die in the package. I'm going to stamp out the cute little hamster, and then we're going to mask off his arms. Now you're able to get this in digital format on May 1st. So I'll be releasing this as a digital stamp set. So if you're not able to get your hands on the box of the month, you can grab this set as a digital stamp set. If you missed out on our April box, I still have some boxes left. So those are still in the shop. They're listed under subscriptions. You can grab it as a one-time purchase until supplies run out. It's best to sign up early for the Box of the Month Club. Your boxes will ship out every 30 days. So if you sign up on the 1st, you'll get your next month's box shipped out on the 1st. All you have to do is choose monthly as your frequency, and that will get you into the Box of the Month Club. You'll be charged automatically every 30 days. More information on the Box of the Month Club is on the listing on the website. I'm using the Ink Navigator kit to ink up my little hamster here. I do have some of these still available in the shop. And I have this new handy tool from LDRS. It's called the Stampendable, and it's a nice handy tool to rub against your MISTI here to get your image nice and pressed on there evenly. And I'm really loving it. So I'm going to ink up this guy twice because I want it to be nice and dark. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp another one out using a Post-it note. So basically I got his little arms stamped out, and I'm just going to cut those. And I'm just going to put those right in there. Now when you're masking, just remember to mask out the part that you want in front of the next stamp you are stamping down. So I know I want his arms in front of the coffee cup. So we're going to mask out his arms. So I want to do the cold coffee drink here. So I want to make sure the cup is in the right spot that I want it. Now I can remove the little mask. Now I can stamp something else in this hand if I wanted to. If I wanted to add the donuts or the muffin, all I have to do is mask out the coffee cup and then stamp this down here. So it'll look like the donut is behind the drink. But I think I just want him to have the coffee cup on this card, because on the next card that you see on May 1st, I do have him holding 2 items. I also did add a little bow to the hamster too. So you can also just fussy cut out the images and then place them. You can do a little X-Acto knife so his hands flip open, and then you can tuck the items inside. That's another idea. So I got my cute little guy. I want to do a sentiment up at the top here. I want to do, I'm on the coffee diet. I love this sentiment. I'm on the coffee diet. And then I'm going to put yum y'all off to the side. So we have some gorgeous papers in this kit. We have matching ephemera. We have a matching sequence. We have 3 stamp sets. You are going to be amazed with the projects that you see on May 1st. So for my sentiment, I'm going to use the VersaFine Claire in Nocturne ink. So I've got my scene all figured out, and I'm going to just draw in a little bit of a ground so he could be standing on the ground. I'm just going to take one of my pens. It's a Copic Safe pen. So this is a Micron 03. And I'm just going to draw just a little grounding here. So I'll add a little bit of green to the bottom so it looks like he's on a mound of grass. Okay, we're just gonna make this card really simple today. I'm just gonna have this grass fade off into this very light green, almost like a yellow here. So now we can color up this guy. Okay, I'm gonna give him some pink feet, and I'm gonna put a little pink on his hands. And I'm going to put some pink on his belly. So I'm going to kind of fade that off as we get higher. So I got an E000. I'm going to use that to just blend these 2 colors together. Now I got my E00 and just kind of use this to blend these 2 colors here. A little bit of a darker pink to create some kind of shadow on his feet here, just at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and work on his face, and then we can put the rest of the card together. So I'm using a sheet from the paper pad from the kits, and here's a little peek of the yummy, gorgeous paper. So my card base here measures 4 by 6.5. So I did score it at 4. So this measures 8 by 6.5. And then I have this panel cut down. So it has a nice white border, and then my distressed edge layer here. I'm adding foam tape to the back of my panel so we have a nice lift on our card. So now let's center our panel. All right, let's press that down. Okay, now I want to add something else to the card, maybe some sequins. So we do have some sequins that comes in this kit. Now for some extra fun, we can add some Nouveau glaze to his eyes, his nose, and his and we will get the straw. So we'll let that dry. That's gonna look really cute. Now for the finishing touch, I'm just gonna put some highlights on this little guy's cheeks. I'm gonna put 3 little dots so you can see the shine on there. I'm gonna put a little highlight on this drink right at the top and coming down. So it looks like it is even shinier. So that is our finished card. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you stop by May 1st. Check out the whole release, check out the hop and the giveaway, and I will see you guys real soon in that next video. Take care, guys.